Hi everybody, tonight I have a little project, a little quick and simple project. It's the tassel. How to make it? I just use my cellular phone, turn my yarn around like this for approximately 35 or 40 row depending of the thickness of the yarn. When I'm done with this, I cut it with my sharp scissors, and with a little bit of yarn tail I use it to do the top of my tassel. Attach it, put my finger to keep it tight, and do a double knot. Remove it from my cellular phone and attach it on the top, at least like 2 centimeter to 3 centimeter, like an inch. Look better. And do the same thing, put your finger to keep it tight, sharp scissor, cut the end, and after that you just fix it like, to make it prettier. So I made 4, and now I will show you how to attach it. First technique with the crochet, the second one with the yarn needle. So I start with the hook. Take one side and the other side. How come I do that? Because it's gonna get like tight and secure on the scarf. You could use that tassel on your your scarf, your shawl, your hat, or for some Christmas decoration, Halloween decoration. Tassel are great everywhere. So now I use my yarn needle. I will attach one side with one tail and the other side with the other tail to do a double knot, and I will do the same thing like I did with the hook with the needle at the end. I will pass through the top of my tassel to make it secure and pull on it and cut the excess, and voila! This is what it looked when I go very fast for a little tutorial. Have a great day. Ciao, ciao.